Please smile.
When I wake up and see the sunrise, I think about things good for my eyes. Thank God for letting me see another day, where the people are chilling and the children play in the middle of the streets. But tomorrow ain't guaranteed. Get up, get out, have fun. Don't let nobody ruin it. Live every day like it's your last. Don't worry about what happened yesterday. Ignore what people say. Ignore it, yes, 'cause it's the past. I'm so happy. I'm living no regrets. 'Cause the past is the past. I live in my life, have a blast. I'm so happy. I'm living no regrets. 'Cause the past is the past. I live in my life, have a blast. Challenge, don't jump at it, so it's revenge. Know that promise ain't tomorrow. Lead the way, let others follow. In life, have fun and always wish for someday you can reminisce. If obstacles come around in life, add smiles, subtract frowns. You need to understand. You only have one chance. I'm so happy. I'm living no regrets. 'Cause the past is the past. I lived in my life, have a blast. I'm so happy. I'm living no regrets. 'Cause the past is the past. I lived in my life, have a blast. Life is too precious to be sad all the time. Cooped up in the house doing nothing, watching the day go by. And when the sun shines, you'd rather see dark clouds, being vain and proud. That's not what life's about. Don't run and live your life, 'cause tomorrow it ain't promised. Some say that that's not true, yet all they do is go through struggles. It's time to break your shell, drink some shit you can't prevail. Ask yourself why not. Do your thing, don't ever stop. I wake up knowing it's a brand new day. I thank God that things are going my way. I don't have to worry about a thing. 'Cause I know things in life will be okay. I'm so happy. I'm living no regrets. 'Cause the past is the past. Gonna live my life, have a blast. I'm so happy. I'm living no regrets. 'Cause the past is the past. Gonna live my life, have a blast. I'm so happy. I'm living no regrets. 'Cause the past is the past.